calling the attention ng ating mga artistic na ka-RSP. Ito na ang perfect chance para ma-explore ang iba't ibang art stuff mula sa diverse art materials hanggang sa kanilang impressive art studio. Tara, bisitahin natin ito dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Hi, Miss Luan!
Hello.
Good morning!
Morning.
Just to give our mga kanegosyo a background about yourself, Miss Luan, you were a flight attendant.
Yes.
And then, nung hindi nag-retire na po kayo, naisipan nyo magtayo ng pintura.
I opened this store for workshop session, art workshop, to teach kids to adults on how to draw and paint.
Bakit? Is this something that you really love to do? Is this your passion?
Ever since I was in grade school, I joined the mga art contests.
Wow!
Tapos, nung college na ako, of course, I wanted to pursue yung fine arts. I want to study fine arts. But during those times, long time ago, parang ang fine arts daw, wala daw pera doon. Parang ganon. So, my parents geared me into something else. I was a flight attendant for 22 years and then I retired. Pero during those times na lumilipad ako sa mga layover namin sa ibang countries, I paint also.
So this is really a nice example, mga kanegosyo, of turning your passion into a business. We know putting up a business is not easy. So sa 2 buwan, ano ba yung mga challenges na na-encounter natin?
Yung kung paano ka mag-attract ng customers, yung kailangan mo, at saka yung challenge ko sa sarili ko. If I can I do this? How will I approach? Because each and every customer is different. Merong mga mahirap turuan, merong madaling turuan. I had to go to different locations para makita ko yung flow ng mga tao, kung meron bang foot traffic, meron bang makakakita sa amin, may makakapansin ba, yung marketing, yung kung paano mo i-advertise yung business. Tapos yung mga first few days, walang pumapansin sa'yo, walang ano ba yan, parang ganon.
So what advice can you give for those people na gusto rin po magsimula sa pagnenegosyo?
Meron kang gustong gawin that makes you wake up each day, na iniisip mo siya everyday, tuloy mo lang. Kahit na very small, like this is a very small area, small business. Parang ituloy mo lang yan kasi hindi ka magsasucceed hanggang di ka nagsastart.
That's right. So minsan kailangan lang may simulan ka para lang slowly, surely, step by step, you'll able to reach for your business dreams and goals in life. Huwag mong intayin na lumapit sa'yo ang mga oportunidad. Go up and make them. Yan po ang mindset ng business owner na si Miss Luan Paras. See you again next episode, mga kanegosyo, para sa isa na namang business story na ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!